Guys, this is what I like it. I love nature, really. Like this, so amazing. So right now, my vlog is about in nature. I hope you're gonna like it. Please, guys, watch for it for my vlog. Alright, guys. I'm in Alubihid right now. This area here is where they located the floating cottage in Alubihid, Misamis Oriental. This, nakita mo itong ano, ito yung port area kung nasaan nung gusto mo magpunta ng floating cottage dito sa may Alubihid, Misamis Oriental, right? Pakita ko sa inyo guys, yan oh, yung area na yan. So papunta yan ng kung nasaan nakalagay yung kanilang floating cottage. Dito kumpisa yung papuntang floating cottage doon sa may unahan. Ayun no, meron akong nakita dito, dalawa. Alright. This is the place where the floating cottage located in Alubihid, Misamis Oriental. In front of me, nakita ko yung dalawang floating cottage doon sa unahan. Yung nakita mo yung bundok dyan, Ayala, ano yan? Ayala Land. May-ari ng Ayala Land Development Corporation or Ayala Land. So pakita natin yung balsa guys, yung dalawa na yan, oh. Okay, focus natin. Yun guys, oh yun. Actually, ito yung pinagpamalaki nila dito sa may Alubihid. Kasi tinatawag ito ng the first class municipality among Misamis Oriental. Itong Alubihid na ito. Pinagmalaki nila itong balsa nila dito sa may Alubihid. Yan, oh. Maganda dyan. Okay, alright. Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guys, here we go. You know, my life is love in nature. So here we go guys, I hope you're gonna like it, my vlog about nature like this. Very, very wide ocean laying on the floor. Right guys? I hope you're gonna like it.